learn with toys. La 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 la. Oh, hi there. I'm just about to head to my farm. A farm? Yes, that's right. I have just bought this farm recently, and I'm so excited for you to see it. Come, follow me. Super Kitty had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on her farm she had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. Okay, so here we are. Let me introduce you to my animal friends staying here. Hi, Mr Nibbles. Here, I have Mr Nibbles, my strong and trustworthy horse. Mr Nibbles helps me a lot, from plowing to moving heavy things on the farm. I love riding on Mr Nibbles. Come on, Mr Nibbles, let's go for a ride. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Woohoo! Okay. That's enough fun for today. Follow me as I show you inside. Next, meet Mrs. Feathers, my hardworking chicken that never fails to produce eggs daily to fill my tummy. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Hi, Mrs. Feathers. Wow, look here. Mrs. Feathers just produced another egg. Good job, and thank you for your hard work, Mrs. Feathers. Oh, hello, Snow White. Snow White, my cute little sheep, makes the most comfortable and warm wool clothing from her fleece. This keeps me warm and protected, especially during the cold winters. Do you know that I called her Snow White because her fleece is as white as snow? Alright, Wilbur, I'm coming to you now. Wilbur, my greedy little pig, as usual loves seeking attention, and he is always hungry. He finishes all his food and also helps finish all the leftover hay and grains my other animals leave behind as well. In return, his poop helps fertilize my numerous crops on the farm. That is why all my crops are growing so well. Thank you, Wilbur. Now, last but not least, we come to Daisy, my sweet little cow, who helps supply me daily with the freshest milk in town. Daisy is usually very cheerful and doesn't walk away, especially for me. Something doesn't feel and look right. Daisy, are you alright? What is wrong? Oh dear, it's getting dark. I think I'd better head home for dinner first. Daisy, I'll check on you tomorrow morning, alright? Bye everyone. See you tomorrow. Oh no! What should I do? Super Kitty cannot find out about this. If not, she will definitely kick me out of the farm.
No.
Daisy, are you alright?
Oh, hi, Wilbur. Hi, Snow White. I didn't realize you were behind me.
Daisy, what must Super Kitty not find out?
Oh, nothing, Snow White. Nothing. I did not say anything.
But I definitely heard you say that. It's okay, Daisy. You never know. We might be able to help.
Even if you want to, I don't think you will be able to help me.
Daisy, but if you don't tell us, how would you know we are unable to help?
You see, I I haven't been able to produce any milk since yesterday. Yesterday, after we came back from grazing in the fields, my stomach felt really queasy. And all of a sudden, I was not able to produce any milk. Oh no! What is happening to me? What should I do? My only job is to produce milk. And if I am not able to do even that, Kitty will sure chase me out.
No. Oh, Daisy, did I just hear that you're unable to produce milk?
Oh, Nibbles, you are here too. Yes, I'm afraid you heard it right.
Quick, Wilbur! Quick, Snow White! What are you still standing there for? Do you want Daisy's disease, or whatever Daisy had caught, to rub off you? It's bad enough if Kitty throws Daisy out, but it would be terrible if she throws all of us out if we caught the same sickness too.
I guess it's goodbye to all of you then. It's been a pleasure knowing all of you and Mrs. Feathers.
Goodbye, Daisy.
I'm sorry this had to end this way. The next morning.
Good morning, everyone. Something is not right. Why is everyone so quiet today? Mr. Nibbles, Snow White, Wilbur? Why are the three of you standing so far away from Daisy? Good morning, Daisy. Oh, this reminds me. I haven't had my fill of your fresh milk yet. Let me see. Oh dear! The bucket is empty?
No.
Oh, So, is this why everyone, especially you, is behaving so strangely since yesterday? Daisy, were you afraid that I would be mad that you were not producing milk? Oh dear! I know it must be really frightening for you to go through this. I'm so sorry you had to feel that way. But don't worry, okay? We will solve this and get through this together. Okay, let's see. What happened yesterday? Oh yes, that's right. We went to the nearby field to graze. So could it be something you ate that caused this? Mr. Nibbles! Come on, let's go to the field to check it out. Come on, Mr. Nibbles, let's go. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up.
1 hour later.
Hey, Daisy! I found it! I found the reason why. Did you know that a toxic weed is found in our field nearby? How could I have missed that? I have since removed it and also called the vet. He will be coming over tomorrow to check you out. Don't worry, everything will be just fine. Oh, stop licking me, stop licking me. Silly girl. You see, isn't everything alright now? Alright. You better take a rest. I'll come back tomorrow to check on you and the rest. Goodbye and take care, Daisy. Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Thank you for watching. More videos to come. Please subscribe to my channel.